Hello, everyone, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Now, today, we're going to practice how to stay calm and relaxed in any situation in life. And the more you stay calm and relaxed, the more centered you are, the more creative you are, the more focused you are, and the more loving you are. So let's do this for today. So gently close your eyes, take a deep breath, ground and center your awareness and your body, knowing that you're not your body. And just for a moment, disengage from tribal consciousness and the collective chaos and planet that's going on. And imagine moving awareness through a golden arc of light into empty space, into that place where stillness resides. And take another slow, deep breath, completely relaxing the body from head to toe. And begin to breathe in the frequency and vibration and energy of deep peace, of calm and relaxation, knowing you're not your body and you're not your emotions and you're not your thoughts. And begin to reconnect with that light that lives within, bright and shiny, iridescent, all encompassing. Imagine that you are fully embracing this beautiful light that we call the soul, that we call the I am presence. And begin to channel that light into all areas of your life, bringing peace and harmony into relationships, into your workspace, into all aspects of your personal life. And imagine and feel that this is an effortless thing that you can do each and every day, knowing that as you stay calm and relaxed and centered, your creativity will flow, your inner knowing will be known to you consciously, and that you can be an example of peace and harmony in any situation in life. So let this energy continue throughout the day. Let it channel through your body. Let it channel through your voice and your hands and your eyes, knowing that you are this light and that you are not your body. Let this continue for the next 24 hours and just simply be the observer in your life, knowing that you are a divine creator manifested in form. So thank you for tuning in today. And if you want more information on our new services and programs, please go to kenjikumara.com. Have a very blessed day, knowing you are loved, appreciated, and supported always. Many blessings.